Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can send your live localization from the iOS and track it on the Android phone. So we have to start from the opening the Google Maps on the iOS device. Now click here on this icon. Now go to location sharing. Now tap share location. Choose the time range and click more options. Now you can send the link by the email or text messages and other like that stuff. Now just open this link on the Android device and you will be able to tracking a iOS phone. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.